Remember me telling about the yard my hours are right past. I finally saw somebody and they're Jamaican, so them say me can get some Ackees, so me I climb a tree and pick some Ackees, you know? Glad back boss. Yeah, that's the first thing I start off with.
There is passion fruits in there. In the tree.
Yeah, I see one.
You have to go inside.
I see one and. Oh yes,
See, look, even over your head right here, they're over there in the bushes.
It's a passion fruit here. That's a passion fruit here. See one here.
That's ready.
Yeah, this one is ready.
And sun is to the right of your head. You see a whole bunch of light. Okay. Yeah, I get it.
Ripe passion fruit. You can feel it, the hollow in it. This is nice. This is really nice. I can mix it with the cucumber because I'm gonna make cucumber and ginger juice. So I'm gonna mix it with it.
That's green.
This one is ready. This one is you can hear it inside. Okay. What kind of dog is it what type of dog is it?
Golden doodle.
Okay. I love. I'm gonna edit it and see where, cause I'm gonna do a voiceover too. Yeah, I do one before, but this is just amazing. So this is how I grew up. I grew up in North Clarendon is rural, so this is how I grew up. So it's just amazing that I saw the Ackees tree, but I didn't expect this. You know, this is amazing, of course. Yes. Oh,
Just sit on the eggs them.
She's trying to.
Right there.
Okay. So the egg them there, so yeah, she want them for action a pitney. Yeah, she's like she's
Setting fold.
She has setting fold, and so the fold cook the guys, and that is the cane. And see more fold over there, so it's a wonderful space here in Lake Worth. It's a wonderful Ackees tree, everything you need in your backyard. Keeping the culture alive is a very, very important thing. And imagine there's a space here we can come and just sit in the back and just relax. I just love that. But me no want get one of them already yet.
Lick them off. Just leave it on the ground. It will dry.
Okay.
Push the stick and lick them off. Which bag? No, drop it, man.
You want to catch it?
No, I don't want to catch no. Okay, I'm today.